The world of robotics has long been filled with grand promises and slick animations. We have been shown visions of intelligent machines for decades. Many of these visions remain just that, visions. This is why I value a different approach. I value proof over promises. Unitree Robotics, a company building four-legged robots, seems to understand this principle. They are focused on creating high-performance quadruped machines. These are robots that look like dogs and move like dogs. Their goal is not to build a science fiction companion. It is to build a practical tool that works in the real world today. This requires a relentless focus on engineering testing and demonstrating what a machine can actually do, not just what it might do one day. The core idea is simple. A robot is a physical thing. Its capabilities are defined by its hardware. The Unitree robots are a collection of motors, sensors, and structural components designed for high dynamic movement. The key is in the motors, or more accurately, the joints. These are not simple industrial servos. They are high-torque, proprietary motor units that allow for rapid changes in force and position. This speed is what enables the robot to catch itself when it stumbles, or to leap over an obstacle. It is the robotic equivalent of muscle reflexes. Without fast and powerful hardware at the most basic level, no amount of clever software can make a robot agile. The robot's body is its first sensor. The forces flowing through the legs and joints tell the control system about the ground underneath. Is it soft? Is it slippery? Is it sloped? This is proprioception. This data is then fused with information from other sensors. This combination of sensors provides a rich, real-time picture of the robot's state and its immediate surroundings, which is essential for navigating complex environments. Software translates this sensory data into action. The most critical software runs at a very low level. This is the control loop that keeps the robot from falling over. It runs hundreds of times per second, making tiny adjustments to each of the 12 leg motors. It is not thinking in the human sense. It is reacting, using mathematical models of the robot's dynamics to maintain stability. This is where robust engineering shines. This low-level controller must work flawlessly, whether the robot is walking on plush carpet or a slippery, ice-covered path. Much of the testing you see is designed to push this specific system to its limits. Above this reactive layer sits a higher-level planning system. This part of the software uses data from the cameras and other sensors to build a simple map of the environment. It identifies obstacles and determines a safe path forward. It is not about deep understanding. It is about geometry. That space is too narrow. That drop is too high. This path is clear. This pragmatic approach allows the robot to navigate real-world spaces without needing human-level intelligence. Performance in robotics is not an abstract concept. It must be measured with clear numbers and demonstrated through repeatable tests. For a quadruped robot, key metrics include speed, endurance, payload capacity, terrain negotiation. Unitree publishes specifications for these numbers. For example, their B2 model can run at speeds over 6 meters per second. That is faster than a quick human jog. It can also carry a payload of up to 40 kilograms while walking. These are not theoretical maximums. They are demonstrated capabilities in public videos. Tangible proof of strength and efficiency. Endurance is another critical, real-world limitation. A robot is only useful for as long as its battery lasts. Unitree specifies run times for its robots, which typically range from 1.5 to 4 hours, depending on model and task. A robot standing still will last longer than one running at top speed or carrying a heavy load. A capable robot is interesting. A useful robot is transformative. The true test of these machines is their application by real customers to solve real problems. We are seeing Unitree robots deployed for industrial inspection and power plants on construction sites. Equipped with cameras and other sensors, they can autonomously patrol a site capturing data from gauges looking for thermal anomalies. This keeps human workers out of potentially hazardous environments. Real customers, like national power grid operators, have conducted pilot programs demonstrating that the robots can navigate complex industrial facilities and collect reliable data on a repeatable schedule. Ultimately, the path forward for practical robotics is paved with incremental progress and demonstrable proof. Unitree is building strong, fast, increasingly useful quadruped robots by focusing on what works in the real world.